Hi, everyone. Welcome to Speaking English Through Permaculture Gardening Narratives. I'm your host, and today we're going to build our first permaculture raised bed garden. Permaculture is all about working with nature, creating sustainable spaces where plants help each other grow. Why English? Because gardening is a great way to practice speaking. We'll narrate the process like a story. Let's start with a key phrase. Repeat after me. Today, I'm building a garden that feeds my body and the earth. No experience. No problem. Grab a notebook to jot down new words, and let's get our hands dirty. Ready? Let's start with the materials. First, let's plan our garden bed. Imagine you're talking to a friend. You might say, "Hey, what should we plant?" I think tomatoes and basil make great companions. They protect each other from pests. Two important words here are raised bed, which is a box for growing plants off the ground, and companion planting, which means pairing plants that help each other. Let's practice a dialogue. Repeat this. We're building a 4-foot square bed. It will hold rich soil and save water. Now, say it with me. This garden will be sustainable and beautiful. Take a moment and describe your dream garden out loud. What colors and plants do you see? Now, let's assemble the frame. Picture this as a team effort. You could say, "Pass me the hammerlets, make it sturdy for heavy soil." Let's practice some process words. First, we measure the wood. Next, we screw the sides together. Finally, we place it in a sunny spot. Time for another dialogue. Someone asks, why permaculture? You can answer, because it mimics nature, no chemicals needed. Let's practice again. Repeat. Our frame is ready, it's strong and eco-friendly. Now, try to explain this step to a beginner friend. How would you say it? Go ahead and try it now. Time for the soil. This is the heart of permaculture. We layer our garden bed like a lasagna. We start with cardboard at the bottom to stop weeds, then add branches, compost, and finally, topsoil. Let's practice some sensory words. Moist, which means damp, but not wet. Nutrient-rich, which is full of food for plants. And earthy, which describes that fresh dirt smell. Narrate with me, layer by layer. We're creating life. The compost breaks down and feeds the roots. Here's a dialogue to try. Feel that soft soil. It's alive with worms. Now pause, describe the texture in your own words. You could say, the soil feels ... double quotes, finally, it's time to plant. We'll put tomatoes in the center and basil around the edges for companion planting. Let's practice some future-oriented phrases. In 2 weeks, we'll see sprouts. Over time, this bed will produce fresh veggies. Here's our wrap-up dialogue. Our permaculture garden is complete. It saves water and builds soil health. Repeat this one with me. I can't wait to harvest and share my story. Now, what will you plant first? Tell me your ideas in the comments below. Wow, we did it! You just narrated a whole permaculture build in English. Let's review a few key phrases. Companion planting helps plants thrive. Layer the soil for sustainability. And my garden story begins today. Here's a practice tip. Go outside and describe your own space aloud. Even if it's just a balcony or a single plant, narrate what you see. If you enjoyed this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment with your favorite garden plant. Our next video will be all about seasonal permaculture talks. Thanks for gardening with me today. Speak English, grow green. Comment if you are part 2 of this video.